Where is that escalator going? Oh, near the truck. Very nice. Now let's remove the soil by escalator and fill in the truck. Wow, very nice work by escalator. Very nice work, guys. Please enjoy the video and like the video and subscribe to the channel. Wow, let's fill the soil again. Very nice. Now let's see what will happen next. Oh wow, let's remove the soil. And what is that? Oh, tortoise of white color and green color. Let's take it in the truck. Wow. Oh my god, very nice. Trucks are going, guys, now. Oh, now fill again. Oh, there is one more truck. We will fill this truck with the soil, guys. You can see they are very beautiful truck. Oh, soil. Very amazing, guys. Now this truck has been filled with soil. Now let's keep the loin in the truck. Wow. Very nice. Nice. What is that? It is something amazing, guys. Very amazing. Let's see what is that. Wow, very nice toys of pink color. Wow, that is running. Very nice. It hit the truck. Oh no. Oh, he's running again. Very nice. Oh, there are two autos. There are two CNG auto rickshaw, guys. And oh, trucks. Very nice trucks, guys.